Today you're going to buddy read a book about sea turtles. Make sure you have a partner before you get started. You'll need to find this app on your iPad. Our book today is a 2Green book, or a 2G book. To find it, you'll need to come over here, click on 2Green, and then let me show you what it looks like. You'll need to scroll down. Keep looking. We're looking for a sea turtle. Do you see it? I don't see it yet. Do you see it? Oh, I see it. Click on the book and sit elbow, elbow, knee to knee, iPad in the middle so you both can see. Go ahead and read the title, The Life of a Sea Turtle. Then you're going to read to your partner and your partner can read to you. Have fun, stallions!